Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be showing you guys on how I made this beautiful wrapped Zara cap. It is very easy to make. All you need is extra 1 yard of fabric and you are good to go. So if this is what you would love to learn how to make, sit back, relax and enjoy the tutorial. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please click the red button down below to subscribe and also click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. I'll be using this marco for the base of the cap. In replace of this marco, you can use carton. You can also use a thick wadding. So I'm going to cut my head circumference 23 inches. Then the width of the cap is going to be 3 inches. My head circumference 23 inches, the width of the cap 3 inches. I measured 23 inches for my head circumference, then the width 3 inches. And I cut it out. I have 23 inches by 3 inches width. When I was buying these damask, I bought 5 yards because I know I'm going to use some of the fabric to make this cap. So I bought 5 yards. On the fabric, I measured 25 inches, 25 inches by 16 inches. On the fabric, 25 inches by 60 inches, then I cut it out. This is the wrong side of the fabric. Then I place the marco on it. I use the fabric to cover it and pin it down. I fold in 1/2 inch and I pin it down. After pinning, I will take to my sewing machine and stitch it down. Next, you will need a long strip of fabric to wrap on the cap. The length should be either 60 inches or above. It should not be less than 60 inches, either 60 inches or above. The fabric that I have left is not up to 60 inches, but I joined the fabric together. So the length that I have is more than 60 inches. I have almost 90 inches. So it should not be less than 60 inches. So the next thing I will do, I'll fold the right side. I'll fold it into 2. Then I will take to my sewing machine. I'm going to curve at the edge this way. Then I'm going to sew 1/2 inch straight down. After that, I'm going to turn it inside out. I've sewn the base of the cap, as you can see. I've also sewn the long strip, so I'm going to turn it inside out. I have almost 100 inches. The long strip, the length is almost 100 inches. So you will turn it inside out like so. You turn it to the right side. After turning it to the right side, I'll take the base of the cap. I'll place the edge of the long strip to the edge of the base like so. I'll cover it up with the other edge, making sure that it is equal at the edge. The edge of the long strip is in between the base of the cap. Then I will take to my sewing machine. I'm going to stitch it down and curve my hand this way. After that, I'm going to weave the edge. You overlock the edge of the cap to give it a neat finishing. I've sewn it, as you can see, and I overlock the edge of the cap to give it a neat finishing. The next thing to do with my needle and thread, after the band, I'm going to sew loose stitches. I did not start from the band. You will start after the band. You will start to sew your loose stitches after the band. That is after the 3 inches band. You will sew your loose stitches this way. You will back stitch again to secure the stitch firmly. Make sure that you lock your stitch about twice, and that's about it for this beautiful wrapped Zarah cap. Next, you will turn it to the right side. So let me quickly wear it on my head and show you guys how you will wrap the strip around the base. At first, this is how the cap will look. So when you wear it on your head, you first of all tuck in the upper part, tucking it nicely. Then you take the strip and start wrapping on the base of the cap, that is on the band of the cap. You keep wrapping on your head round. As you are wrapping, you can decide to fold the fabric or you leave it the way it is, anyhow you like it. Just play around with it. Then when you get to the edge, just tucking it inside. You can decide to twist it before tucking it inside, or you just tucking it inside like so. Anyhow you like it, just play around with it at this stage. This is how it looks on me, guys. I can't wait to rock it with the boo-boo on the mannequin. It is going to be beautiful and it will give me this rich anti-vibes look. At this point, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please click the red button down below to subscribe, and also click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. My next video, I will be teaching on how I made the beautiful boo-boo on the mannequin, and I bet you don't want to miss that luxury tutorial. So we've come to an end of today's tutorial, guys. If you find my tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not done so. Until I come your way next, please stay safe and remain blessed. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Bye.